Hey fam, we're going to be big on YouTube. You know, the YouTube industry is really competitive. You won't receive as many views as someone who creates a better video on the same subject. Plain and simple. So what am I trying to say? It's what you clicked on this video for. The naughty, unethical way of blowing up on YouTube. It's not always necessary to reinvent the wheel. There are thousands of videos on the same topic, and the best performing ones get tons of views regardless of whether the subject has been talked about already. Take comedy drama as an example. Many YouTubers have been talking about Drake and Kendrick Lamar as a result of their beef, but only the perfectly crafted videos got millions of views and thus gained a shitload of subscribers. It is exactly what we can accomplish. You can take a topic and reinvent it in your own words and style if you want to go viral on YouTube. This is an independent business. Consider this. There are multiple brands of energy drinks. There's Red Bull, Monster, Bang, and so on. While they all produce energy drinks, their tastes, branding, and pricing vary. Return to YouTube. Not all of your videos have to be influencer dramas. It is literally applicable to all niches. It's time to get to work now that you have identified your niche. Choose a subject that the audience has already shown to be engaging. This is your chance to recreate the video in your own unique manner. Obtain the video you wish to duplicate first. In less than a minute, let's summarize the video in bullet points to avoid wasting hours on research. I'll use this video as an illustration. How to get more views in 2 minutes. Since it lasts for 4 minutes, I want to sum it up. In less than a minute, to summarize this script in bullet points, click the video, select the 3 dots, choose Show Transcript, adjust the timestamps, and copy the entire transcript. Then, go to ChatGPT. After that, copy the script, paste it, and hit enter to see a detailed bulleted summary of the video. Now that you have a summary of your video, let's get to work. I'll give you a heads up right now. The only way to really become viral on YouTube is if you're actually doing something original. You'll most likely receive a poor impression and CTR if you simply reword a video and use the same boring thumbnail as everyone else. Think about it. If you're just like everyone else, why would YouTube suggest a little channel like yours? To capture the interest of both the spectator and the algorithm, you must take an original approach. My advice is to not suppress your individuality. Think beyond the box. Add unusual graphics, strange music, and original ideas. We're almost there. However, the thumbnail is the final stage that may either make your YouTube video go viral and get you closer to making money, or it can make your video earn 3 likes and 9 views. It's highly likely that you won't receive many impressions, and your CTR may be poor if you create an extremely high-quality thumbnail that appears to be identical to everyone else's thumbnail. Why? Since those generic thumbnails have already been viewed thousands of times by users, you must be noticeable. Your thumbnails merely need to draw the reader in. They don't have to be flawless. Take a risk, be audacious, and don't be scared to create a new thumbnail. One free tip for you. Don't overfill your thumbnail with too much text. This is the naughty method to go viral on YouTube, so I hope you took notes. And if you want to grow on YouTube, stay subscribed. Abracadabra, stay blessed.